So we got Ronnie over here starting on the truck. Oh God.
What's up? First off, it makes it easier to get to some of the things when, like draining the coolant and whatnot. I don't know. I just always do it. I'm more of like I'll take more parts off if it makes getting something easier for me. I know some people are like take minimal things off and squeeze. I don't know. It's just not my style. And the cab's coming off, so it doesn't really matter. Like I'm already taking a ton of shit apart anyway. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just was starting on this, and I was like, oh shit, I gotta call Josh and let him know that like I'm actually working on this damn thing. So yeah, we're just gonna start cranking it apart and see where we end up. So far, most of the bolts have been wrong. Mainly on this side, like I guess where it was hit. But other than that, everything in the engine bay, like we got it fired up yesterday. Looks like the alternator is not working, but other than that, the engine sounds smooth, even though that's getting built anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But
at least we got something good to start with.
Yeah. So, let's see what happens. Work in progress, I guess, but should have, at minimum, the cab up today with most of the shit off it.
Nice.
And hopefully
We got the little GoPro guy do some time lapse for you.
Yeah, I think that'll probably be the best way to see this, because I don't know, and I'd have to look. Originally, so like whenever I originally started working on these, I used a YouTube video to like take the 6.4 and the 6-liter cabs off because I wasn't sure to do it. But there was no video on the 6.7, so I remember the first time I did it, it was like, how do I describe it? It was kind of like a learning experience for me, and then I did so many of them, and I feel like there should be a video on it. I don't know if somebody's posted a video ever since of how to pull the cab off. If you've already done it to a 6-liter or 6.4, you know how to do it, and I feel like anybody could do it, it just takes a while. I know the videos do help, so I've always thought about making one of actually how to pull it off. I don't know, do we want to do that? Is that like something
we can?
I don't know how in depth. It kind of be like a piece together thing. Let me see if somebody has a video of that, and then we'll get back and like maybe make just a direct video on that, because I think most people can get the grill and the bumper off. The bumper technically does not have to come off, but I take it off anyway. So
yeah,
because like when the cab's up and I'm working on the engine, it gives me a place to step in. I don't have to step or lean over that bumper. So
yep.
And it's only a few bolts. So
yep.
Not bad. But other than that, I'm gonna look that up, see if we can do that, and then we can start on this. Maybe there'll be a stopping point where I'll talk or something. We'll see. I don't really know. So yeah, it's been a while for me since I've done this. Probably 2 years. So I'm gonna check on that video, see if somebody made a video about it, because I think that would be possibly a good informational video. So I'm gonna look that up and I'll let you guys know.
All right, sounds good. So apparently, according to YouTube, there already are cab removal videos, so we're not going to do that. That's just going to be a waste of time on our end, honestly. There's like anything, a couple different ways to skin a cat, so we're not going to waste our time doing that. We're just going to let Ronnie get to work on this. Got some buckets, start doing his thing.
There was a video of it. I just don't know if they would do a video.
I don't think it's worth it. I got other stuff to do. You got to do this.
Yeah.
So let you do this. Get the time lapse going from the GoPro over here. And
the original part of it, like me draining fluid. Yeah, somebody already got something.
Yeah. Well, we'll catch you when we get the cab off.
on the fucking light. Numero uno. So let me give her a once. I already started bumping it up just to kind of get the cab right, and I put the straps on it. For like extended cab and regular cab, generally I'll put I put the straps on, but for crew cabs, it's unnecessary. Maybe I don't for a regular or extended cab. I don't know. It's been so fucking long. But I just kind of, every time I lift it, like I'll bump it up a few inches to check, make sure nothing's like pulling. Even though like when I was doing them a lot, I just always, I don't know. I'd rather check a few times before I pull a wire out. That's there.
All right, man.
Doing the coolant reroute's gonna be freaking cake on this thing now, cause oh yeah, that's going up with that. This has to come down. Yeah. I'll bump it up a little more. Got that? Yeah.
I mean, bump. Oh, you got it over there. I don't hear nothing going.
Yeah. So you guys didn't see it. So for the time lapse or whatever with the GoPro, it fell 2 or 3 times. So I just kind of set it up, but it cut out on me, and so some of the cab, that like both very fronts on the core support and the fronts on the inner cab, had to weld the nut in. So I went in through here, and there's a nut in there. You're probably not gonna be able to see it, but I just hammered a bunch of weld in there, and they use a Loctite on the here. So once you heat them up, they come right out, but it was being a pain in my ass, so I just went with the welding technique.
All right. Nice. You got your light shining in there. That actually isn't too bad in there. Wait,
Still
behind that though, behind the throttle valve?
a little crusty.
That's why you delete your CCV. Right there, all that shit back in there. But you also gotta watch, apparently, whenever you delete your CCV, that's what lubricates your turbo. So
Yeah.
yeah, the oil feed going to it it doesn't really matter. That's not gonna lubricate anything.
It's not gonna lubricate your compressor wheel.
Yeah, your compressor wheel, the outside of it, like that's really what you want lubricated.
Yeah.
So that way the air slides off the fins that much easier.
Are my saws all drawn?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
You don't need these.
Nah.
I mean, no.
Nah. Alright.
Yeah, so now,
Yeah, what's next?
well, I guess you could put a picture before, well, we're just gonna, basically what's gonna happen is it's in neutral. You tear it apart, and then we're gonna push it back, and then rip the engine and trans out, and start with that. So now it's
Alright.
tear down time.
Alright. Get to work, dude.
Thanks.